Aloha and welcome to Xerion Training. Today we will be covering part 1 of test 2, which will talk about the general corrective work order, workflow, and tasks. What we will cover in this training today is highlighted in yellow on this list on your screen. I will go through each item as I illustrate it so you can follow along. The first one is how to generate a new corrective work order. Here I'm logged in as Roland, and the way to do that is to go to Maintenance, top menu, and then down here there's a button called Create. If you click that, it will ask you what type of work order you want to generate. 99% of the time you'll be generating corrective work orders. So we're going to select that here and click OK. Okay, you can see that a new work order has come up, and going back to my list, I am going to populate all the required fields, and I am going to write a request description. Okay, it is a required field for the subject, so I will say, saw some garbage, please clean up. Okay, the problem type could be custodial in this example. The description could be anything you want. I'm just going to put this is a test description, and you need to select the site. Polynesian Cultural Center is what you need to select first, and then it will roll out the various areas that are available under the Cultural Center. Let's assume this is in the front entrance area and in the grounds by the front entrance building, which would be your softscape and vegetation. Okay, that fulfills that item. Now I'm going to reassign to another foreman and then reassign it back to myself. Right now I am logged in as Roland, so I am going to select somebody else, in this case David Duffin. With that new name selected, I come down here to assign or reassign and click it, and that will reassign the work order. Now if I need to reassign it back to myself, I would go here, I would select Roland, and once again click assign or reassign, and it is now back in Roland's court. Next we are going to attach a file and then assign technicians and myself, in this case Roland. Okay, so the way you do a document, there is a button down here that says View, Upload Documents. I'm going to click that. I am then going to select here where it says Upload, and it will take me to this screen. Here on the right you can see there's many lines, but Browse will bring me to my folders in the system and allow me to select whatever I want to. Let's presume that I would like to select that image, and then I would click OK to upload it into the system, which is done now. OK will take me back to the work order. Next, I'm going to assign a technician who is myself, and I will assign a technician who is one of my men, or in this case one of Roland's men. So I would do that by clicking the button here that says Assign Technician. Then I simply select OK, and it's going to filter by Roland's crew. And I can select, in this case, David Lau, and myself, Roland. To finalize your selection, you come down and select OK at the bottom. Okay, that concludes our Part 1 training for work orders and task lists. Thank you for your time.